Once you go to decentraland.org, you're going to find the Welcome to Decentraland page and you're going to hit Get Started. From that page, you're going to end up where you can sign in or create an account. I'm going to go to Play as Guest just for the instructional purposes. After that screen loads up, you're going to be able to create an avatar for your character. Once you decide the body, head, top, bottom, shoes, accessories, collectibles, and you dress up your avatar like you would want to, you can go and hit done. And there is a randomize button if you don't want to go through doing that. And once you do that, you're going to name your avatar and also fill in an email. The next step is to read through the user agreement. You have to scroll all the way down to the bottom when you see I agree turn red and click it. Afterwards, you're going to start being loaded into the Decentraland. You have to wait a moment. I cut out a little bit so that this will be faster. And once that's done and you're welcome to Genesis Plaza, you can hit Got It. And you are now in Genesis Plaza. We can run around just a little bit so you can see before we start the tutorial. You'll see me interact with a few other people. You can click on the person and you can see their name as well as ways to interact with them. So we're going to start the tutorial by clicking on the bottom right hand corner, and once we scroll up and we click tutorial, you're going to see a little flying thing pop up. It's going to be your instructor. So the first thing that it's going to say to you is click the world to unlock the cursor and control your avatar view, and press escape to unlock it. So this is Alice, and Alice is going to teach you Decentraland basics. You hit E to begin. To switch the camera view between first and third, you press V. To move around, you're going to use A, S, D, and W respectively on your keyboard. Press space to jump. C is to access the control panel and see the others. So now we have the control panel up. Take a look at what they have around there. They show you a visual of moving around and things of that nature. Press I to open and close the backpack. You also can bring up your emotes by pressing the B button. Those are like little dance moves and things like that. You press between numerical keys 1 and 7 to trigger those emotes. Those are actually really cool. Very similar to Fortnite. Once we're finished with that, it shows you how to use voice and text to chat. And it shows you the controls, as well as use the Explore to find scenes with experienced players in them. You can take a look at that really quick. Click on your avatar to manage your account. Here is where you can sign in. I'm just using guest for now, and click on the map to expand it, and you can take a look at the different scenes, which is property all around Decentraland. Just move the cursor around and it'll show you the locations. And that's it for the tutorial, guys. I hope that this really helped everyone figure out how to use Decentraland to make it a bit easier for you when you first log on and try it.
Although that's it for the tutorial, if you have time, log on to Metaverse and check out the world's first virtual real estate company's listings. You can see properties that they have for sale or properties that they have for rent on their webpage. Thanks for tuning in. Take care.